akoda die nya bone o wotimi ni wo bia wo cha ne panini ewo wo cha ne maame ne papa hey try wo dey try mesiti awa try eduabona mo boy no Togo dey so je mo ko India wo dey mo try mo ko foodi me dey Afia Schwar mama mo free 20th 11 days to 30 days as at my more the rest of 31 to 31 11 days to the end of the month now the 7th account 18 days mon try mo da mo ko foodi just say ko fo wo dey and this in the what I say oh no ko fo pa oh no ko fo na me mama passport picture bio picture but you won't try me try but hey what the time edi agro woman
Ebusia eka kamia koyese Ghana ha se pobi a owo information pa na eye sister Afia Schwar na wababonten abede NDC fo no sese womoye na omojeje woma no ewo ne so ene NPP ye papa John Ajekukufo eso a information na Afia se obesane agum ewo oman Ghana ha no ebema abato ye ba betukura bebo NDC fo no ama anhwa aba no womu entimi ento ni nyina eye ensemu adela edem ekoka ye edifa ye mampenda da John Ajekukufo eho eno na ama Afia ebu afuye pa wababonten abekire se omo flag bearer no so ensempi ewo ne ho ye pepani bia woni emade da omo flag bearer na ye pepani bia wodi semoni ewo krom ha omo flag bearer na owo sa information nyina ewo ho aso omo ya ode beba abonten na Afia de sa ensemi ebetu udwa wie no na NDC for communicators ni bana se NDC bloggers ni beka ne sa womo so ababonten abe respond to Afia Schwar se wo yo ba na so se ordinance esinebo de womo a womo so ade no information bia wo no Afia emphasize information no emra bonten menum ye nyina bekwa ko hese na Afia Schwar ebeka ne nsem no esifa ewi a response nso a womo de aba no mabo ama wo atibi enansa na ebekwa ko fene mekai wo se aha too much GE subscribe my page na femi adoma no so sa no upload bia bia onsa ebetimi aka afi Dr. Abednego contact ene guase honus freno for all your spiritual problems ebusia my yonkoti sister Afia Schwar na yemra
Whoa, and then we're born in a match. Yeah, we know that them. Come and tell Ghanaians from sample form, never catch a Ghana for some hen, you know. And then national health insurance, I could for the buyer, no, and I do you too. At your age, a true other that will call to Mama. Was here, would shimmy the ladder, would shimmy, Jimmy pa de jina wo Jimmy e jina ho se John de try yamade o try wo srade wo da let them wo your giant kai ni bin you are the shit of a sheep wo kwasia te saw mo bia ma no be kaseti akofo se ogu wheelchair na wo ti wheelchair ba akoto aba ma NDC because NDC for say wo ti wheelchair mo a and you were born in the water wheelchair. That is how the party thinks. And this party, no, do you want Jennifer? No. Abra DKB, Ekoye adverts na party name Penesono. At once, party issue letter. Ebe discredited DKB. Tio, me kanyan sasem. And then you may make a such answer for. DKB quiet 24-hour economy video, no. And this party for us on 24 hours. No, my press release. Everybody banking video, no. Everybody Disassociating woman. But and now we are find out to reach him. So when you ya, so when say we ya, so when I ya, so we are disabled. Say ya real binti. Say what sign ya woo. Who are disability be now got to about men this year. And this force will born into now what is our. Said the let them again so for already 85 plus. Ne born in a natural wheelchair more. Now what when the 80 years, then I do see wheelchair. Then I do see wheelchair. Me say NDC NDC form for the land at them kind. I'm still waiting to see, say, on my press release, be I mean, here, on my troll letter be, NDC, Abeka BB, Messi DKB. Eko ye 24-hour economy video, no. At once, from troll letter by say, and NDC, I don't know. They let them say, for born in order to accommodate yate. On also ne boni nti na ekro abesekete wonanim no ne boni enti na ekro abesekete wonanim ne boni ne nkola di enti na twu ebeda ne kotimu ema ne de NHIS ene ko yiye na baka se fia de okansem me ba bebo audio amamatie ne boni na de twu eto ne kotimu na sa wonso ti reach mu wonso te ukwa clutches. Now we got to a bad man this dia. Not as I was so sia ye moye. Because we born into now to reach him. We born into now to and I'm not making this for neka. And this for us what the la at them. So I'm a country. We born into now when you're fra. We born into and I was wesi. Moi, one year sign tremo. Sara we born into go forward 85 years and to say they let them our communicating my John Mahama or ya John Mahama 8 and then some will born into go for born into and or to reach mudia and your war would the 85 years no were born into no why disabled. I am surprised that all disabled are quiet. Shatawale and a car be come up a letter. Because Shatawale number to me no. And this is for person much that was say. Wo born into na when you fra. What would you wait? What space it is Samia? Wo born into na space. Wo born into na to reach mu. Wo born into and away apache. Wo born into na ukwa de wo no apache no wunya scan to reach. Wo born in yami tro aso. I let them and a kind name in America. This is not what I'm saying. They let them say President Kufuor, an 85 years man, 86 years. Na born in the dynasty reach him. And to what if you're saying? Except you are 90 years. If you are below 85 years, and you were born according to NDC, you were born and I do see baby, I will see no. Na yes, sinners of Christ. Mo kona mko to abama womo. Omo si opposition kwa no mo do mo ye toilet roll. E di twi wo mo true mo no. Na we kwasi aba. Why na beka we? We kwasi aba. Why na beka we? We kwasi aye made said the let them why na beka we? Why na beka? What say NDC aba beka say the party disassociates itself from that nonsense. No. Because NDC party no mo fuaso. Na aseda kanya me say President Bawumia was a growing. Bawumia no mo for say omo ne be ya talk and do. Bawumia mo di atema woni bi. Eno matem di dia ka mo yam. Bawumia abedane campaign no policy base. Policy money bi. Lenka Kufuor ye NPP ni. And that was like Kufuor Baba and Dose John Mahama. Kufuor as educated, as intelligent, as elite he is. And some of us are Kufuor Ben Dose and Kukon Kitten. Baby a we are see a dream. Baby a we are saying a 2 milika kodri. Baby a we are see a faka eti. And some of us say Kufuor in his divine wisdom. An epitome of wisdom like that, you know. And Kobabe endorsing Kukonke to our own. Moya moi. Moya moi. Now, what the let them media, we are poor everywhere in you. We are poor promise. That's a Susan Chanel Cosmetics. There's a Susan Chanel Black Soap. One, when you move here, no. Especially when we didn't tell oh, there are red color between here, and here. One call when him, it was 72 colors, appetition tea. One with J.H. Hankins, Bama Quasia, na yesi wanum nso so sense wanum views wo be ka kofo wasem wo busuani bi bo brasa kofo aka wonya kwase and this year. I'm just saying with my full chest. So wo busuani bi bo brasa send your church was nega impa ka wonya kwase and this year. Na kofo wo busuani wo ma me kwase anto na wanti nyansa anto wadwini no wo ma me na wankyerɛ wo sɛ yɛn kan kwase asɛm ewo krom wo ma me na wankyerɛ sɛ wo wi apetehyi na ba wani so ayempie Mr. J. Jenkins wo kan kan wate wo sa se wo kan kan wo kan kan wo kronti sent di wachi sent edi wachi amen cover body spray so na di bia gu ha wotwa ma ho age toilet sa na krobon wo bon na obi a president Kofo Kramai wo hwam che wo de wo kan asem say ne boni enti no ti riche enti wo ma me na won ti riche ne wo ye wani ka ho wo ma me na waka wura mu a igbefo krom ne wo ye wani ka ho wo ma me on ti riche ne wo ye wani ka anya me pese metra riche ma ya sakofo dan se meka wura mu na me ba ko jimia wa bre makpere na matiti edi wo kwasia wunya atwo beda wo kwatiketu wani mu no enye NHIS na de call hospital said the one who tie wuntimi go private hospital ho said the one who tie said the wo kan kwasia sem every wo yam I beni abuwe said the wo kan kwasia sem free yam no wuntimi go private hospital wuntimi go private hospital woni private hospital ska. My God, because me crown my crown, it's got a private veterinary. You can afford that, and you want to. Who person would disrespect the president go for? Who the card at that private hospital? Who the card at that private hospital? Just a wunya chuno. Go for true mo bini na o said yo. O mama who can wate. O mama abuwa no want to tell. Wo maame aboa no wan tetew wo maame aboa na tetewa enka wo behu enka you know where to draw your line. You think I will deal with you? I want to deal with the stupid parents of yours. Your stupid parents, which is your stupid mother and stupid father, who did not raise you. That you had no proper upbringing. Na nipa wa jimi no oni ni awaya pani jimi for. So that's who you are. Wo kwasi animu. Wokwasi animu. What is the president Kofo Emma ko ne ho? What is the Emma Eko president Kofo wonder? What be that? What is that Kofo what to talk as sensitive mama? Woni trasiri. Wo ma be twa munyafu. Sasubimu. Wo ma be twa kansa choko. Wokwasi animu. Twa na meba. Yonko tie nwumie no wo ane me no na me chan send this ni bi ni nyansa bi nti wo betro letter about the banke but National Disrespectful Congress, National Derogatory Congress, National Unthinking Congress, they support what you did. Me, I don't need the NPP support. I'm just coming to handle you people. Handle you people. That's all I'm here to do. Maybe handle more. Someone Jimmy. Ye be Jimmy. We are about to fool to each other. We shall saw. Shall see. You shall see now. The about with him. Some who John Atopa Mahama at all. We are me woe. John, we are me woe Mahama. The about with him. Some who John Atopa Mahama at all. I could you go for a term. It's about to go down. Monte warning. Kwasia, most start a campaign. What will Odina Mahama because ye didn't flag bearer no. Ye didn't to say largest wife watch ye didn't. Kwasia for just wait. Mongwana mbekwa was so much mbambe me say NDC. Someone you must answer for a moon. Moba fee. asante ni panyin bia mo ni di be hia bia mo ni menya mo ni chance ni wate fa wanu to twikata ma boa wo ma me gyan no wo ma me kwasia na daladam wo ma me aboa no obobra what is say me Afia me to me busuan me ne se me kwase ampani wo what is say me back as etia wo bi da because me bobra enti me man dey enjoy life aboy wo ma me kwasia no obobra sekofo a wo ma me aboa no onyankofo bi ntete ye kra anko ye nipa why when you magina wo kwa your orange face aboy apetition jina for JHN wo ofui when this for my command want to because one casano mudi joma me chiba motano monira mona mo siasa modo Mahama mo otwa nani ana mo ye no ko insani no na eko mo ana moka mo kwasia ni mu mo ana moka what I want to say now it's gonna be a fucking long night. Dina Mahama nko campaign Her Excellency Mama Lord mo fa ne nko campaign was one di machi was one kwa campaign na mo fa medin kola was one year was one girl uni chance ni yeni mo gange abuti alodina they say was one girl ba wu mi ayi na nam kwa so campaign mani kuni na zen yo anisi na zen yo na deni come here as a moko campaign first lady tifie na deni come here na deni come here moko campaign first lady tifie na deni come mo mpani fo mo kujeje mo de man no entro and this for mo kwa na mo ko to mo party mo nsam and the Gianni one PP. More back, me that set me kun, what you matam crovetia, and $1,000. Me the 3 days na ye 3 so. Messi and this year. And then I'm winning penny woman fear. I said penny picture mom with them. Mom says penny photo mom with them. Mom. Someone says penny photo mom with them. Yeah, the penny photo boy at them. Na photo na boya dem ne be endorsement a musu yes mama say munku jeje dia na mo de ne ye jeje dia na mo de ne ye se na mo se mo je party na fi jeje nsa mo ni chance ni mo ma bi chem mo you have my one mo abokan kiti a jeje na mo abi chem ultimately if you see you people will see na me kwanam ka so na be kire mo se na obewu amatutu akamani ase mo se panyi ni mo fie ade na ato ahoy mo yi mo man ade why are the ahoys quiet mo de mo panifo nkwasiafo jeje besie babies with sharp teeth and the panyi bia ni mo campaign mo adane nkola nkwasiaza bembra na mo yana. Why are the ahoys quiet? Na me ankasa me wo fa ya so wen. Wo fa ya wati on so wen. Once over you mama. Once my frustrated. Muni chasiri. Mama ti so bi abokofo di biem. Woni pa kwa be tru mama di na be fa bimu. Ni ado flag boy ba shawo ni na di so. Mese wo mu kofo. John atopa Mahama kwa ubu no. Atopa Mahama. Mr. Kenya kwa mubuno aboy kwasia Jo Mahama kwa mubuno moja mufanya ni agro obi makasanti akufo biem na me daya sorry me mamuliwe na me resa party ni beye bibi ni a Disassociating party no but my committee you wanna disrespect? Do you want to disrespect? Try it again. because President Kufo one does about Uliane or Ben does Sinachna or Ben does one test your mammy check and kind. You trust me. Now Povia and Dosimo and Amuku Rollins. You people are disrespecting Rollins up and down. What's happening in Mufi? Aha, when inside here, when you are someone when you're penny can be mount, you trust me. What's your for? Come and disrespect President Kufo again. Again, na samori nsa momori apetition. Hwe dia makoto di be facimo. We a single moto. Mo dia monom ne dia apetition. Jimino. Say na make am catch am. Monya Jimino. Monya Jimino. Oh, but disrespected President Kufo. When your flag bearer's wife is so embarrassed to follow the husband to campaign for him. Why never president here? Ne yire nkoye advert man. Why? Oh fui. And I say better say am mo jimi o. Ya na say na ye mo. Ya say better say no. Hey, mo pagana for kwanto abamamu. You people got no peace. I'm telling you. Mo ntimi fa santofo ani munya for mo mo. You crazy. Sako for bonity and or TV channel. Na me ko for tiabri me wo ocha kwatamu ayese me wo parking spot we bri kran ka mepe baby akofo ti no TV channel no but one come to heaven o ma me no tin rem no so to one come to heaven delay them we didn't time say be we didn't time say akola wenya daria delay them o ma me no ti wura no o ti peduasia and got a kingdom o ma me no ti wura no o ma me no ti wura no and got when the electronic region when the bo o ma me abua no o ti bi so akope o ma me na ntina papa no what ti peduasia lodger dela and kope ufi sa me krama bini kwasiafo we are waiting. Why did you go for where we are? That na Mama Lord Beko campaign Mama. I think that's very important. You want us to vote for a man that the wife has disassociated herself from him? Opesa kana foko tu abama papa or president. Na the yerin timi koka enkodini kunuwa dansi o. Wanim se twa moje jina wo the lede. Wanim se twa moja jinamu moje mo bayi and this akawai pa ko see me sata gone makuno JJ Rollins gone makere no hameze ladies and gentlemen me pasumje mo dae no oni pani bia o aka me abi papa yi na na sha o jam aka me papa mo bia mfreme I can't be papa me am say me am papa no way jantra asemia say this from brand mashawo no be see free no na shawo aka no pe ono so ye pani na otufo because otufo a enka de wo ye nkwanko about abe condemn be ya ne de jam aya ne de ono kwani pani akodi atema na ne de me e sha kwasa ma bra envelope because say ya ne de I say abua kwatra richam na kwato abama wo mo tra richam na kwato because so ye di boye ni titinam na kwato ofui momra na mo president ko fodi biem na yentisi bimu na mo de mo ye from now to December akabe say 7 days. Moyen kwasi asema mi Afia media tramo aboa wate o dran ane yamade ane mo o dran ne yamade ane mo o dran na mo ko atamel saje power no na mo na maje power no na mo na je power no na mo fo se da che mo founding father ne wan mo founding father ni bi true mu billion na ka be na ka mo ne baba founding father JJ wusa ne yere ti ase nana ko edo aje my Rollins ti ase se mu buade a enko be campaign am That woman, she's got influence. She's got charisma. She's eloquent. She's intelligent. Can't afford dollar. Excuse my ear. Mami no wiase bibia. Monkona mkosere non campaign mamwe. Mo bayi ni mu Jimmy once again. Mo bayi ni mu Jimmy once again. Mo be what's that to go? When in Sadia, babies will shut it. When we ye when mo penny wo Afia, we are so big heavy man. Some of mo Jimmy and Frico force wa mo kwasia and to kwatu makakakani asa yes mama twine ma akatabra twine ma odi obi makofo di influence aside obi kofo anya this for dia kofo anya this for dia muankasa Ibrahim Mahama bows before kofo. Ibrahim Mahama, he attributes some of his sources to kofo. Mumu no Ibrahim Mamuska Mumu kofo o trying opposition won't back down forever until you learn respect, until you go to your Abwati Jan and the pioneers of the NDC to beg. Most about to munya penibia. Where are their horses? Kwame na hoy momo. Where are their horses? Once said this for Pennyfonia come on to Cosmoni Swadi. Mumuadie. One mama John Mahama war bere. One is a dom. Is a dom wait. John Mahama, he looks older than Nanado. I can't even phantom it. John Mahama. Nanado cry with me and any uncle with John Mahama. But Mahama is older because it was stressing. Now, Mama went in a more shimmy. Now, Moka Quasia Sam Quasia 4. And this is from Pennyfonia. Where are their voice? Where the fuck are their voice? Why are they quiet? Disrespect. Why is Nana Kwedwa my Rollins quiet? The same disrespect. Why did JJ withdrew from the NDC? The same disrespect. In fact, JJ came with the term babies would shut it. Mumu Obia. And the up till now, John Mahama. What pesa santo for two ababano. And yet I John Mahama commentia. And the and John Mahama one commentia. Do you people want me to come and tell you what I know? The things they say about Otumfo to their girlfriends that I know. Let me retreat. The things they say about Otumfo or say to their girlfriends that me Afia I know. And yet I draw mama and me commercial. And you want in a mama lord they commercial. And yet you know commercial because NDC I imagine so much disrespect Santa for. And no gusu no more. How would Jimmy Awubedi? I'm telling you with my full chest. Right now, we will insult your fathers. Oh, Jimmy Awubedi being. It says we're more for the serial warning. Warning way. Mobile buy crown and meme mother. You can't tell me shit. Mo Jimmy Awubedi being. I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you people. Say if John yes me shut the fuck up. Will I die with you? I'm gonna deal your money out. What's the meaning will be? I will try the penny and will try the man and the hey, try. Would you try? Messi tia why try. If you are not a boy, Togo the so Jamu called India. What do you want to try? Momoko foodie. Me did a fashion sega. Mama will free 20th. 11 days to 30 days as I take my bridge and the rest of 31 to 31. 11 days to the end of the month. Now the 7th account, 18 days. Mon try. Momoko foodie. Just say Kufo. What that? And this is what I said. Oh no, Kufo. Oh no, Kufo. Oh no, Kufo. Now my mama passport picture. Bio picture. But you won't try me. Try but hey. What the time Eddie go woman? Am I threatening you? Yes, with my full chest. I'm threatening you. Am I threatening you? Yes, I am threatening you. And before you dare me, ask your flag bearer, because I'm threatening you. And that threat will come to play. May the assassin me was as a journalist, American laws, I have free will to give information to whoever that deserves it. Am I threatening you? Yes, I'm threatening you. Try me. Mama did you go for a temubium? Mama can be a Sasantine. Mama can be a Santa for the next 18 days. And let me watch you and prove to you that I'm a full-blooded. Me a saturani, me a dancing, me a Santinia Mania time. What boo chance them? Oh, Chamu can't kind. Oh, mammy, Chamu, yo. What when they try it? Try. I don't think I'm a just alone. Messima issue. Someone is me. When you want goes up, me qua biopic. Me qua will be password biopic. When did you go for them? When did you asante hatem? When did you asante nibiatem? Me pussy. Me mother me pussy. I will release everything I have for my people. Yasantoa, ya woni wada. Ya wu Afia scan. No ye yasantoa. Hey! Try disrespecting Ashantis again. That woman. What they won't try. Say every toffee, say every day, say every day. Maybe mother be being one make us buy a mineda. And to a more dear. And you see a party. Maybe mother, my mom will leave me. But insult kofo. Insult otunfo. Or better still, make it weak. Make my job easier. Spread it. But come be fast and to form. Never baby abadi the baby. Am I threatening? Yes. Do I have it? Yes. Will I release it? Yes. Am I scared of what you do? Sakwa de no say then. Try me. Sakwa de na boss I know. The rate at which my mother say me Jimmy Chamu and this phone. What you? Ya diamba kwahye me kon. Na baby amode kon de mu didi ba mabusuam. Mo ya mo ndi kofo mo entertain yourself with even with Kofo's name again. Kofo. Mo ya mo kwasa na Kofo. Na mo ready abesi. Me de be mama na watchi. Take it. Try it. The one is still right. Try. Or beyond try me to me. Young joint chief Kofomo. Eba made diplomacy. Kofo courts. Kofo dina rabono. Ebe ye bineta. Moja mon try. First one I am here. Na me exams. Me we me koye meeting. Say dia mon try. Me enya daria party. Ya nyemu bedi bi. Ya nyemu bedi public toilets. Ya be ya daria party. A shower for party. A boy. Mo flag bearer oni Kenya ni awo miensa. Nkwasia. Money, there's a Mahama to Abama na one about first lady. I'm just asking. Moto Abama na one about first lady. Oh, fui. Try. Somewhere. Yeah, the need such a pause. Try it. Oh, any iota of respect in your brother and can miss the campaign, Madam Mahama. Mesba campaigning for John Mahama is an insult to married women. It's an insult to every married woman. Try it. Try. Some person will do for them. What do you want to try? Montreal. Mo person will do for them. Mon try. Na Kenya for ebenyo mo die. Me coming from you, what premier call because I'm about 6. I want to believe it's 11 p.m. your time. What are you doing here? You should be sleeping. More by some what this is spectacle for. What they won't try. More by some what this is spectacle for. I won't try. Won't try. Try it. Try Afia Schwar. Just try it. Try. Your luck. Mojario. Ha! Let me hear quick. Let me hear that. Wait. You people be sad. I'm telling you today. Let me hear quick. I will not scramble the NDC's campaign. I will rubbish it in toilets. This is a promise from a flash of finger to you people. Try me and your flag bearer, Mr. Kenya. Try me. Try me. Try it. Obi ko didi ko fo atemu biem. Na nyema bi be ku sa social media we so no. Ye nkoto aba because I won't go here. Mo de mo nkoso. Mo koso. Mo nuwa fufuo na ben. Wasiafo mo any respect in you. Hey, go and ask your flag bearer. What the Susan Chanel Cosmetics or the driver drama free the video one. If John Mahama is not a shower, you should take me to court. I'm saying it. So see me there someone to the so offer me court. You people should try me. You should try me because I still have my phone. So try me. Try disrespecting Kufu again. Try it. Ghana will be entertaining than Guinea. Some of them are Batasa, Papa say, Batasa and Gongos. On only the and show on where the text messages in and out. More than one try. Try it again. And the word is again. Try it. Am I threatening the NDC with my full chest? I look at them calling me Am I threatening the NDC? Yes. With my full chest. They should come out and insult Kufu again. They should come and disrespect Otufosetu again. Or Ashantis in general. They should give it a TRY. And I will sit in this country and give you an REEL. Your friend of you. Menya shawon change on Mahama. Namakano. Your friend Mr. Kenya. Nazamu said John. Oh, Ma Kenya. Or your Papa no. Or your multinational nation. Try me. Me say NDC communicator B. Koka B. Emanensa kofobium. Na yentna. Yeradie. Mano dia sopa antin some intimi kano. O mama intimi can be that. What do you want in this world again is for NDC to try me and go and insult Kofu again. Try that. We've been very patient with them. We've been very patient, very tolerant. And they are Kofu and they'll say, but we are combat, they'll say, John Mahama, I shall win you, Kofu better, and they'll say no. What did you mean, Mammy? I told my family, did him, Papa, and from President Kofu, that the NHI is by when you know I'm coming. Ha! Messy me or Fanny Kofu. And go for one baby and the book and then maybe your profession be a Jimmy for. Said the name Jimmy Mendes and stand me Jimmy Amako for. And to you be my Samubium. Try it again. You my ideas are not me boomity. Try it again. Try it. Let's dirty our learning. In public. Me standing that. Me very wrong. I don't need focal. But let somebody from the NDC come. Try his manhood. Or be tested the quality. No matter try so a bema. Na moka kufu asemiya ye de John Mahama besi asemiya so. Niya wone who naked. We will strip him naked. Muni de kufu atemu biyem. Me kame se kwa jay. Ama kwa tunachule ba imeduma. Me kame papa who told me some. Say shit. I said, say shit about, am I threatening you? Yes, I am. With my full chest. Try me. Try me again. Mureba who? Mureba, I know that I know. You can be the president of Ghana. You will never disrespect Ashantis. This is a warning to the NDC. With my full chest, though. With my full chest, though. Me, I have life insurance on my head, oh. Me, wouldn't me, man, we are billionaires. I don't give a fuck about you. If I'm telling you, I'm telling you. Let me retreat. Me, wouldn't me, man, we are billionaires. Yeah. Because I've made money on my life. Because I know what I know about you people. And you will not disrespect my enclave. It won't work. You won't disrespect Ashantis. Put it in your head. Me, I don't serve any political party. I serve what you for. You will not disrespect him. Come back and disrespect Kofo. Yet come back and say something that looks like President Kofo. And hear the things I will say. And throw evidence for my archive. Try that man again. Try him. More than one try president. For more try. Say this for me. Some better John Mayor president. They won't try. More than one try. Give him a try. Try it. Try. Am I threatening you? Yes, I am. Am I threatening you with my full chest? Am I threatening you? Yes. For the fourth time, am I threatening you? Yes. For the fifth time, am I threatening you? Oh, yes. For the sixth time, am I threatening the whole NDC? Yes. And for the seventh time, which is the perfect number, may someone try Kufo. Say any shit about President Kufo again. Am I threatening you? YES. Yes. I am threatening NDC. Come and insult him again. I promise you that. I promise you that. Come and say anything about President Kofo again. Abani Yankoto. Yanyaden. Yankoto. My name is Afia Schwar. Messi Abani Yankoto. Because there wouldn't be need for it. Am I threatening the NDC? Yes, I am. They should call my bluff. I don't care what. Try insulting Kufo again. Insult President Kufo again. And let's see what happens from this phone. Messi Abano Yanto. It's a promise to you. And you can kill all my children. Do you know what happens? Me tete days be a minimum kase kra minimum person koya abortion. Me time na so. So I don't care about children. I've got so many children. You can do shit. Can go and buy my properties. Me say mon chate Kofo, mon tete pa about President Kofo biam. I swear on my life, Ghanaians will not vote. I will do series on my YouTube channel that will disturb your flag bearer. Am I threatening you? Yes. I just did. Am I threatening you for the ninth time? Yes, NDC, I am. Try me. Should I say that? Wait. Let anybody say anything about President Kofo again. Now I'm me full choice when releasing on me page. Because I'm not scared of anybody. Sanko for your phone, John Mahama, or your phone. Me and then Mama John Mahama Dean, your friend Mr. Kenya. Threaten me again. Not threaten. Say something about Kufu again. Message John Mahama, your friend day, Mr. Kenya. Mr. Day, Kenya. Country called Kenya. Mr. Kenya, an investment. Oh, Modia, Monia, ba. Try it again. And try Ashantis again. Even if you win the election, you will eat toilets. I am threatening you. Yes. Whatever you want to take it. Is it a threat? I am promising you. Videos, passport pictures, location. Try it. Try it again. Try it again. For the last time, try Kufu again. Monya. I want you to do it again. More than somebody more. Do it again. Again, oh. Do it. Obi me did you for them from your camp. Now more ready my family flag bearer no. I'm rolling on the red carpet. I am warning NDC.
Nti after say Afia edisa ensemi etu dwa no na ye nwa baba ko a owo TikTok ne so a edin a oje so ene Samson anowa ono so ene obaba ko bi o kan ho omie no so aka bom e de response abre Afia Schwarzenegger.
Afia Schwarzenegger kwadwe kwasi ampeni na wawu na odi flowers koto no so ni spray no. Emi says I spray no fa utiri mu ohu jimiani dienti na invite John Mahama wanko ya fa ni be manshia palette de say oh here confirm poison bia because what the poison be man to onim nyansa what the adrobe to a form na atiasu inti no ni spiritual father aka akere no ai asha woni diabetes also be back akere say you shouldn't near you people because mu you fake mu kunkrofo etuo na mu kwanhwe wa igbe krom na yenu turu mu ni mu twa asidi kwasiafo rallies kro give up e dia akoja ne makufuo kufo who are you kufo ya hona kufo so ya hyewo ni oba yo di manyin se bi anji bi ekuku amanfo e hye luminati mu kwasiafo mu ni mu nyansa woni twa asidi Captain Smart say e fa ni say tuo no e wa Santi Rigi won to me who fi now I any court is a punchy corner. Kwasiafo na po Jimmy for any bodyguard cry. You shoot no. A big court cry contrast that head. Na po cry odi ba wu that the court upon your juma. Na po ye gay. Kwasiafo mo buy say obi identity na kufuo or call retirement one kwasantia. Mo year retirement amuko bukrom. Me tie say me call retirement aba Ghana. It is a who you Juma na say nye nibre and I say Accra na yanifa and correct na Accra all call the chrome go say the chrome mu ya kwasia for say if anybody talk about Kufuor I will talk about Kufuor. Who is Kufuor? Kufuor is shit bitch is shit Kufuor nyo bia mu ya me di Kufuor tamutu nyam shi mu ni twa si di Kufuor asha woni and ho kakraka ti say Jordan River Kufuor we ni asika kakraka say kojo ka say ni abua for mu ya hona say my did Kufuor atam those time na PMP the graphic and I can say they say China phone e did mu atam me say a China phone dey na me kai me say a China phone abua by Afia Schwarzenegger woni twa asidi bodan fuo reading the cocaine pepper ni we wie nti wo bagana John Mahama dey ku amikuma what was about me kwasi ampeni liver problem we ene ne yire jimi ni ahya woni we eye campaign no ya small boys e dinu because we say the kuru so to dinu hi it is a John Mahama yire those times so that pe na odi nche na pe na me man na John Mahama yire ene wo so to me campaign only time for campaign because he's so classic John Mahama side chick for the campaign man hi side chick Miss Bamunaye, that was what I just can't do. You don't feel good anymore. Trust we are boys outside if you are Cassa. We are Jimmy for.
If you are a day and obey ye, di Kufuor tema a day and obey. Kofo is not Ashanti. Ye didi Kofo atema enya Ashanti ene ye didi natem. What? So udi Mahama atema nya no ordinary na odi natem. Abuafo no what no said also what? Abua wuti to so gu ni paso dodo. Ye didi Kofo atem. Kofo to hichem. Kofo na say Ghana fo sika. Ye be didi natem didi che Kofo to hichem. I want to me pese do pese wo ye no ye. Me pese do pese wo ye no. Yeah. The opposite wo ye no do it Afia. Obi e no obeku wo obi e no obeku wo anam do ti wo na train be bow. Obi e ube commit suicide no Afia. Ye be didi Kofo atem ne Kofo pia bontas penyi ti said be kan kwasasema we will give it to him oto. Kofo onim nyansa. Kofo onim nyansa. Kofo onim nyansa. Ka $1 to $1. Kofo onim nyansa. Kofo onim amamu. Kofo onim amamu. Ye bedi Kofo, you can't be president and disrespect Asante. Autumfo no be edi na temo ha ho. And then Kofo wo yotumfo. Kofo we obu Asante fo. Kofo no obu Asante fo. Mo che bi project ba kwa Kofo ba ye we ma Asante man. Kofo obu Asante man. Kofo obu Asante man. Shut up. Kwasia enka wo bie wa no ka say Asante de bibia afiri wo mba enti wo to akwotena nkran no go and sit to Asante regional bo Asante fo enye nkran na wote abuofu no hunye nyan wate me se maka afia bitokwa me no obeko entokwa me no obeko bra me say I challenge you from today afia come do wo bia omahama hono fabra do buka so bibia o mani bibia na wo ma we yuka so be omu bibi obi anya omu hui wo ma we omu fa omu tui wana be omu bibi de ya case to e fe ne so wo ma we omu fa omu to e ti sankola wo koyo omu den wo koyo sankola we den we mu obi anya omu hwe omu anam na Ghana ho de say duro krampo ni ho so omu nam ho a na omu bo pa that person no mu Nkwala kiti we no musa for moto. Na oba ba be gina ho no mu you a disease of a human being. Yale fabra. Afia fabra. We are waiting for you. This time around, we are waiting for you. Ebiom. Kwasia obe Mahama na ko pese Mahama be na Mahama ese odi moa. Mahama ese no odi moa ho. Mahama ese odi moa te se Abua bema de se kwati road tremana bema kakawura begunu kwati ho. We are waiting for you if you see what auto season. Bra, come on. I say 11 days to election. After na bra, we will give it to you. Kakacha wa by no for policy bra. Na Kofo no we hwan. Say you disrespect Asantis. After no person Asante for be kwonto kwa no bi ma. After na you are coming to fight for Asante. Abua na nya na utina wo platform so ka say God is to be a crap free so na ma. Wo we Asante ni. Little put like you. I say the Uber cast and Tiasam. We are cast and Tiasma Uba Bekebi. We are cast and Tiasama. Uba Bekebi. I see what to platform so. Or to also call if South Africa. What to platform here all the videos about what now? What say ye open Kevin tell a number one man the Phyllis. Who crowd sell out like you. What's Antimine? Who was Antimine? No other said you can't disrespect Asanteman. Kofo we gawoni. Me say ye can this time. What just straight that time abo 5-2. Me show video na fe na me twaba kra ya me ya. Na me twaba e ya me ya. Say ye can if we are waiting for you. We are waiting. Wait there, I'm waiting. Say the be also 2 weeks cameraman me no. They say I come 2 weeks ma ko to aba. Start e be di Kofo atem. Kofo pa won sem pie be kan kwase asem. Mutu kutu bura obanshi. Shege wawa. Everybody na obey e friend say Ghana. Chem project ba kwa Kofo ye no Asante man. Chem project ba ko Asante penkoso wate. Asante penkoso. Ko pe Kofo ba ide na waye. Kofo oba ide na waye. Kofo pa won samra be kase ye to aba anso me obidi kwase asem. Anti kutu bura obanshi be di na tem. Kwase na Kofo no we hwan. Kofo no we hwan ye kasa che na enye. Abua ye twen. Bring it on. I say, I can't 2 weeks, I can't 11 days. We are waiting for you. For Mahama Bola, ever 12 months, near Fantochi. From Mahama, why a health insurance, a life insurance, if you are who now my millionaires, a company de woman, and almost 4 more to no mudity. Was ya bar, one no said also, one no said bosom cambu, one no said was now dear. Was ya, but he come and do Zaki. A poor fool chain. Was ya bar. Oh, but as I say, we are waiting for you. We are here waiting for anyone kwasiasama. Whatever we will deal with you, style baby. We will deal with us. Will be end this for because we man baby. Yeah, this way. Any man you. So we will not want about baby. Now when you packet get to make muscle, we send him and boom me so we fear. Oh, because me say we are waiting. This is the right time. You be wait. We are waiting for you. Kwasia, she nyansa na wagye medodo.
Enti ebusia ensam no ene edi ababegu ho edi amawo no besrew se obeja comment e wo video yi ase na fe aha eye too much ga subscribe ma page we sa wonya ya wa yeso medase nyame hwa eya kai na fa bell ne ka ho sa no upload bi beba bia only first person na usa betimi aka all the social media handles so ko ho a eye too much ga eya ho so like na share afama me makra